Welcome to Kids Leisure Time.
Hi kids, today we will learn about the zodiac signs and know about their traits. Let's explore the stars together. Aries, March 21st, April 19th. Aries is a brave ram, full of energy and fun. They love to lead and play under the sun. They are bold, ambitious, confident, passionate. Taurus, April 20th to May 20th. Taurus is a strong bull, steady and kind. They love cozy cuddles and quiet time. They are dependable, patient, practical, sensual. Gemini, May 21st, June 20th. Gemini is the twin, curious and bright. They love to talk and play all day and night. They are curious, adaptable, communicative, witty. Cancer, June 21st, July 22nd. Cancer is a crab, gentle and sweet. They love family hugs and tasty treats. They are emotional, intuitive, compassionate, loyal. Leo, July 23rd, August 22nd. Leo is a lion, bold and proud. They love to shine and make everyone wowed. They are generous, warm-hearted, creative, enthusiastic, broad-minded. Virgo, August 23rd, September 22nd. Virgo is a maiden, helpful and neat. They love to learn and keep things sweet. They are practical, analytical, reliable, hardworking. Libra, September 23rd, October 22nd. Libra is the scales, fair and nice. They love making friends and giving good advice. They are diplomatic, charming, sociable, fair-minded. Scorpio, October 23rd, November 21st. Scorpio is a scorpion, strong and wise. They love to solve puzzles and have sharp eyes. They are passionate, resourceful, determined, magnetic. Sagittarius, November 22nd, December 21st. Sagittarius is an archer, adventurous and free. They love to explore and see what they can see. They are independent, adventurous, philosophical, generous, open-minded. Capricorn, December 22nd, January 19th. Capricorn is a goat, climbing so high. They love to work hard and reach for the sky. They are disciplined, responsible, ambitious, practical. Aquarius, January 20th, February 18th. Aquarius is a water-bearer, clever and cool. They love to think big and have fun at school. They are innovative, independent, humanitarian, intellectual. Pisces, February 19th, March 20th. Pisces is a fish, dreamy and kind. They love to imagine and have a gentle mind. They are empathetic, artistic, intuitive, gentle.